We target workplaces where we've got union membership, and we go into those workplaces and promote adult learning. The project promotes essential skills, which is communication, numeracy and digital literacy.
A massive major course for us was the Essential Skills programme. We have a lot of young employees, 16 to 18, who have severe learning difficulties. And when they first start with us, they're awful shy, they can't look you in the eye. And then through the Essential Skills programme, they come on, their confidence grows day by day.
I work with employers by building a working relationship. We speak to managers to see exactly what they think is needed in their workplaces. And then we tailor the courses to suit the needs of their employer, but also their employee.
Another important aspect of the work is supporting the staff so that they don't become overwhelmed by the work. So we've actually run a course on vicarious trauma so staff are able to self-care a bit more and recognise the impact of the work on them, because we are working with vulnerable service users who have been through some horrific experiences, and we can't expect that not to impact on the team really. So we're trying to not only to provide learning opportunities but also self-care for staff.
One of the courses Communitas did provide for the Wolf Project was a mindfulness course which focuses on people's well-being and mental health, and I believe through the mindfulness programme and courses I've been given the skills and the tools to deal with these problems.
We've been able to develop the staff team in terms of not only their skills and knowledge within particular subjects, but also to aid their development. And within that then, we're obviously noticing the impact that that has on the work that they're able to do with the service users that we support.
The employer response was really, really good. Back in 2013, we actually got together and we put together a learning agreement at my factory, and with the help from Communitas and the Wolf Project we managed to put together a learning suite within our factory, and the employer really engaged with us.
My biggest workplace is Tata, and over the years Tata unfortunately has been hit with redundancies. We have run many job fairs where I've invited different partnerships in, like Careers Wales and Job Centre, and any sort of agency that is able to help people in that situation.
Without the work of Wolf, we wouldn't have had the opportunities that we've had, and our staff team wouldn't have developed the skills that they have in working with families. It's not just benefiting us as an organisation, it's benefiting the communities and the families that we're supporting.
I think the project has had a wider impact by giving people the confidence to participate in learning, which maybe they didn't have before.
Me personally, I've gained numerous promotions through training for the Wolf Project, and I can't thank the Wolf Project enough.